Do you want to change the font size on your Facebook account on Android? Hey there! Here is a quick and easy guide on how to change the font size on Facebook with just one click. Let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that you are using Facebook Lite because font size change features are now only available on Facebook Lite app. So you can get this app from the Play Store. Open Facebook Lite app, tap on 3 lines, scroll down, and tap on Settings. After that, tap on Font Size. Here you will find 3 options like large, medium, small. Choose a special one. Tap on it, and your Facebook font will be changed. If you find this video useful, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.